Hi, this is Dr. Joe with Mountain Journey. Thank you for tuning in. Please do subscribe, please like, please comment. Let's take a look at a central vacuum hose switch. My wife said our central vacuum switch broke, and I'm like, no, this switch is fine. It's probably something in the head. You know, it has to have a connection all the way to the outlet of the wall. Let's take a look and figure out what's going on with this. So here it is, and look, this thing rotates. I thought, oh, undoubtedly there's a wire off in here, something easy. It can't possibly be that switch. So let's take this apart and let's take a look at it. We'll just unscrew the top. Take it apart and take a look at everything. I would believe it's a broken wire. All right, let's take this apart. One more screw. There's the cover. There's the switch. And let's take a look at this. Let's zoom in. This is actually really well made. When this rotates, these pickups here remain in contact with this, so that's not the problem. So let's check these contacts with our voltmeter. We'll put the voltmeter on ohms for resistance here, and we'll look at the numbers. So this should read virtually nothing when these two pins are grounded like this. Where it plugs into the wall, there are two distinct pieces, two distinct contact points. And we'll look at the ohm meter with these contact wires here. Let's zoom in a little bit. So you can see the ohm meter. So again, virtually zero when we short this out. And if I connect it to one of these side pieces, that's intact, because that's going to go to virtually nothing. And this is intact as well. So let's hook this back into the wall, and I'm going to short out the switch, which is right here, to really see if that switch is the issue. So again, when we plug this in, you can see there are two distinct metal bands here and they're separated from each other. When we plug this into the outlet, this will be in contact with one of the leads. This side will be in contact with the other. I'm going to plug it in right now. So let's try the switch. Nothing. But what if we short out the switch? It works. So it is the switch. Okay. Let's take a look at this switch in detail, see what kind it is. First thing we'll do is we'll carefully disconnect these leads. And we'll zoom in to see what we have. This may be a little hard to read, but it is a RLEIL RL2-3. And then the next three letters are 1E4. Believe it or not, I found this on eBay. This is the replacement switch. This is the original switch. The original switch just has 2 prongs. The replacement switch has 4, but we're only going to use the same prongs that were used in the original switch. Let's install this and connect it. So I've lined the switches up the way they were, the way it was originally, and we'll connect this. In the same location. Now it's still plugged into the wall. Let's turn this new switch on and see what happens. This is the first time I've ever done this, so we'll see if it works. Eureka! Woohoo! So it was the switch. My wife was right. Don't question your wife, at least not openly. So this switch had failed after 11 years, and now we have a new switch. But of course, when I bought it, I bought a pack of 5 because that's the only way I could get these. And again, it is an RLEIL RL3-2. Let's see, 1E4. Well, we'll put this back together and put it back into service, and it should be good for another 10 years. And I've got another switch when the other hose, which we have upstairs, fails. Thank you for watching. Again, be impressed with your wife when they tell you that the switch is bad. You can think under your breath, well, is it not? In this case, it was. Again, Dr. Joe with Mountain Journey, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, like, and please comment. Stay safe.